In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a drop-down using Gemini in Google Sheets. Let's dive right in and make it simple for anyone looking to streamline their workflow with Google Sheets. To begin, you'll notice the Ask Gemini button located at the top right corner of your Google Sheets interface. This button is your gateway to automating tasks and making your spreadsheet management much more efficient. Once you locate it, go ahead and give it a click. Now, you're ready to enter your prompt. In this demonstration, we're particularly focusing on adding drop-downs, and we'll be working with column Simo. In the prompt area, you'll want to type a straightforward command. Since our objective is to add drop-downs specifically to column C, you'll go ahead and type add drop-downs to column C. This tells Gemini precisely what you want to achieve, and it takes the guesswork out of the process for you. Upon entering your prompt, Gemini will get to work. It will present you with a confirmation of the range it plans to apply the drop-downs to. This is an important step because it ensures that the drop-downs are being applied exactly where you want them. Always make sure to double-check that the range Gemini is highlighting matches your intended column. In our case, we're focusing on column C, so you'd want to confirm that the range corresponds to that column. If it all looks correct, you will simply click Insert. And just like that, you have your drop-downs. It's that easy. This method is a handy way to add interactivity to your sheets without spending extra time navigating through traditional menu options and manual settings. Remember, utilizing tools like Gemini allows you to enhance your productivity and focus on analyzing data, rather than getting bogged down by manual tasks. Google Sheets, combined with Gemini's functionality, creates a powerful environment for anyone who wants to optimize their spreadsheet experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added drop-downs to your Google Sheets using Gemini, making your data more dynamic and user-friendly. I hope you found this guide helpful and it empowers you to explore more possibilities within Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will make your data management smoother and more efficient. Happy spreadsheeting!